The trailer out here for the first time. Pretty hectic, but it made it. Absolutely gorgeous guys out here. At least there's somebody else here. They're all muddied up. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. The winds are out of the north. They're gonna change to the northeast. So what I'm gonna do is gonna head north and just let it drift back. So it's gonna be like maybe like a 45-minute drive. Let's see how it goes. It's pretty cold right now. First time in a long time I've been hoping for the sun to come out and warm things up, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm getting closer to the shoreline. Right now I'm just looking, and the water's not too shallow here. It's about 2.5. So it's nice and calm over here because the land blocks the north wind. So I'm starting to look for, I see movement on the water over here. I don't know if it's bait or fish, but I'm just gonna scoot into the shoreline, see if I can see any tails. Or any big wakes. I'm gonna start off with this speed wake. See if there's any action on top. Absolutely gorgeous day, guys. Now the sun's nice and bright. Perfect conditions. Start recording. Start recording. I hope you got to see that follow, folks. Something smacked at it. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to the dragon tail. I had lots of luck here with the dragon tail. So I had about 4 slaps on my speed wake. Now I got a bite here on the second cast. There it is. There it is. Nice trout. I don't think it's 15 though, but hey, it's a start. Dragon tail. I'm not gonna measure. The dragon tail, folks, I tell you. I don't know, they're small fish or... There it is. Ah, let go. There it is again. There, got it that time. It's flashing like a big one, but it's just looking like a small one. Yeah. Yep. Dragon tail, folks. I got one, folks. This one feels a little better. Ah, no, it's not. Not a keeper. Close, but not quite. But it's worse. It's worth a measurement. Worth a measurement. He is, folks, 14 and a half. 14 and a half. Feels a little bit better. Oh, no, I didn't get off. It's still there. It's still there. Oh my God, folks. Nice, beautiful, big ass trout. Might be oversized. Oh no, it should be good. Perfect. Maybe 19. Look at that baby. Somebody's eating good tonight. Let me put it on a stringer first because I have a feeling this guy wants to jump out. Okay. See, I told you he wanted to jump. Pliers. Hopefully it's not 20 volts because I want to take something home. Oh, I hope this sucker. Good. There you go. What's going on here? Look at that baby. Gonna be close to 20. Hopefully it's 19. Let's measure this baby. Let's measure this baby. God, folks, it's right at 20. No, folks, it's going over the 20 barely. Look at that. 20. And half? No, 20 and a quarter only. 20 and a quarter, I gotta let it go. Anyway, see it? It's a bit too long. Beautiful fish though. There it is, I gotta release it. Come on, baby. There she goes. Another good one, folks. Another good one. Look at that head shaking. I want him on this side. Oh, that one's a keeper. Keep the pressure on it. Keep the pressure on it. Don't give it any slack. Another solid brute, folks. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close also. Dang, it looks like the same. It's almost the same size, folks. But we'll see. Pliers. Oh no, this is gonna measure. Look at that. It's gonna be close. But let's measure it, baby. Oh yeah, folks. 18 and a half. No, 18 and 3/4. 18 and 3/4 right there. My baby doll. She did good today. She did good today.